Okay, in the boxes. Canadian. Import. Foreign junk. Canadian's got a lot of good old Harley parts up there. Look at that precision packing with the thing. That's like a real business sense, this. Yeah, not everybody uses that stuff. Alright, what do we got? Ooh, popcorn, there you go. Always like that. What are you looking at down there? We're down here. The Harley parts. Ooh, genuine. Buying up NOS stuff again. Yeah. Early 70s packaging, because it's orange instead of red, white, and blue. Factory products, never heard of them. Ooh, modern stuff. Sportster crap. Oh good, now I can work on a Harley. I got a book. All kinds of junk in here. Good packaging. Professional. It wasn't done by Amazon, real packaging. Alright, what do we got? Shift lever. I sold it, so I had to replenish my supply. Now these are open. Ooh, popcorn. Okay, this was made in 16. Gear shift lever. Let's see, 8, 16. These are all made by the same day. So Harley had these. So these are obsoleted, and this company bought them all out, or this is a dealership that had a lot of them. Probably the importer for Canadian. Harley had a big dealership or factory outlet up there. That's probably where all this crap comes from. Anyway, these packages are kind of hard to get into, but there you go. Ooh, there's a shift lever in here. And I'm interrupted again. Way back. Okay, I don't work on 50cc pocket bikes. Get a lot of calls for those for some reason. Alright, this is, what's the number on this thing? 3371882B. That means it's been modified 3 times, or twice. A and B would be second modification. So this is the 3rd generation. Because Harley screwed it up the other 2 times. Ugh. Yeah, they really did. They really want to protect this thing, didn't they? These are expensive. Look at that nice chrome finish they give you. That's like the best chrome in the world Harley can make. Look at that. That's like the best. Yeah. That's what you get when you get 3rd generation. You get crap. First and original, and for 2nd generation, this is smooth. That ain't smooth. Yeah, they hit the buffing machine on there lightly, and then they chromed it off raw metal. This is casted. So this is the inner shift lever for a road turd up in the front. You got the primaries right here. You got the outer lever over here. This is the inner lever in the front, and then it works the lever in the back. So that's what this lever is for. Now what I use them for is on a Sportster, you have a spline shaft in 74 on your shifter, because right before that they're round, the lever always slides up and down. You put this on that damn thing because it's splined, and it matches the spline on that 1/2-inch shaft. And that gives you a shift lever, it doesn't slide. That's what you do. It's a little on the short side, but if you're doing some kind of a forward control or rear control or something like that, or if you want a faster shifter, you can use this. The stock ones are longer. What I've done, I've taken these, cut them, raised them up a little bit, made them full length. You still get the spline on it, but it has this offset too. It gets away from some of the weird foot peg combinations they have, when especially doing forward controls. So I use them for that kind of stuff. But anyway, these work pretty good for doing that purpose. If you just want a regular stock lever with a spline on it, use a 1980 FXWG shift lever. It has a spline on it, it's the right length, and it works on your Sportster too. This is more for more custom stuff. So you got this whole thing here, you can drill and tap holes all through here, especially if you're doing like forward controls we did back in the day. The lever would only be about this long. And you can make these things, they would not slide. They came with a stupid round hole with three Allens that always spun on the shaft. It was stupid. So I put these on there. Or you can sell them to road tour guys. Now you sell them for road tour guys because their shit's worn out and Harley don't make them anymore. But anyway, so I got some of these. They work good for what they are. So, simple parts. So you buy this stuff up on eBay. You still get a deal on it compared to what Harley wants for their stuff. Assuming they can even have it anymore. A lot of this stuff's obsolete, can't buy it anymore. So, there you go.